2008 to 2017 Chevy Traverse radiator and cooling fan replacement. I'm draining the coolant right now. Please enable this on the cold engine. I'm removing the lower radiator hose so I can drain the coolant. This vehicle got towed because of the radiator that got blown up due to the cooling fan. Pull the blade, the cooling fan come apart and pull the blade to it. So that was bye-bye pretty much. So we're replacing both of them. That's why barely any coolant come out. The link for the part in the comment section below. So let's start by removing this trim piece here that's over on the engine bay over the radiator. We need to remove those push pins. There's about 10 of them all around. Let's see here. Using the camera like this. It's first I'm gonna install that trim piece here. The push pin like that. Pop it out. Corner. Here they are. And we're going to remove the 7mm that holds the front bumper to the body. Let's remove that. And those T15 that hold the rear liner to the bumper. So we can access the radiator. We're gonna remove this underbody shield here. They're all T15 and 7mm, one 10mm. That's a 10mm right there. I need to remove those on both sides. Now we're moving the bumper. Make sure you unplug the connector by the way for the headlight. Let's pop the condenser out. There it is. Condenser's loose. We're gonna remove our upper radiator hose. We're going to compress the clamp. I'll put the link for those tools in the comment section below. Pop that off. Have the container ready because sometimes you might have to pull it. Let's remove the bracket for the radiator. This is 10mm on each side. Let's unplug our cooling fan. And pop in the it's the same thing pretty much. You have to pop the C-clip and the new radiator come with it already installed, so you don't have to install it. But you do need to remove the clip to pop this so you can pull the line out of it and wiggle them out. That's all you have to do. Wiggle them out and we do have them one on top of the other. pop the condenser back in place. There it is. Let's put our parasolic cooler back in place. When you push it in, you're gonna hear a click. That's means it's fully seated. It needs some effort. Then it look easy. Push it back. 10 millimeters. Side. Even how to bleed it. You take the cap off. Right? You have a funnel like this, and you have a 50-50 mix coolant. You can buy it straight from the auto parts store already pre-mixed, or you can buy the concentrate one and mix it with water. 50% coolant, 50% water, which is what I have right now. I already mixed it. So we're going to fill the cooling system until the coolant bottle go all the way up, right? There it is. There it is, just like that. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to start the vehicle. As you can see, guys can see the air bubble already coming out. Right, we're going to start the vehicle and let the engine temperature reach the normal operating temp. We are in the vehicle right now. We're about to start it. Okay, and when you start it, you're going to put the heat on full high, all right, like this, and let's turn off the AC and put the fan on full high like this, right? So you'll need to monitor the temperature. Let the car run for 10 to 20 minutes with the coolant reservoir cap off, right? And let the temperature reach to the normal operating temp, right in the middle. The normal temperature should be 210. So when you reach that with the cap off, you see no more air bubble coming out of the bottle, meaning it's already bled. Right. In the case of the vehicle, it came in already hot, so I just replaced it. And I can already feel the heat kicking in. That's what you want. So when you reach the middle, you're going to have heat. The heat gonna be very hot coming out the vent. That means it's already bled. Let's go check out the bottle. You guys can see here the coolant level drop to the middle. That's what you want. And have a feel for the coolant hose. The thermostats are open yet because it's old. okay? Let it run for like 20 minutes with the cap off. And when you're done, put the cap back on. Make sure the temperature doesn't go past the middle. If you put the cap back on and go for a drive. That's all there is to it, guys. It's a pretty easy process. If you guys have any question, you can comment, and I'll post the link for the part needed for this, the coolant and the thermostat. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.